Welcome to a tutorial on one-point perspective. The requirements for a perspective drawing are a horizon line, which we will just get started with now. The horizon line is also representative of the eye line, and that also is where the vanishing point is situated. The next thing is to have converging lines and a simple shape to start with. In simple perspective with one point, all horizontal lines run parallel to the horizon line. So as you can imagine, they will never meet the horizon line. The vertical lines, however, can intersect the horizon line at any point. So that's the only two simple rules to remember with your shape. The converging lines will all meet at the vanishing point. So we will just draw in the converging lines from the top of the shape and from the bottom of the shape. Once we have the convergent lines in, we then do the horizontal line and the vertical line, which will then define the outline of the shape. That completes the outline of the shape. As you can see, below the horizon line allows us to see the top of the shape and the sides of the shape. So that's the top surface there. Now to complete this exercise, we'll do a similar shape, but we will do the shape above the horizon line. This will give us a completely different perspective of the shape. So we'll just complete this in here now and get the converging lines going back through the same vanishing point. As this is a single vanishing point exercise, all our shapes will use the same vanishing point. Once we have those converging lines, we then put the horizontal lines in and the vertical line, and then define the shape. There we go. As you can see, being above the horizon line, that gives us the view of the underneath of the shape, and one below the horizon line gives us the top view. Now to complete this exercise, we will draw a third shape, and we'll draw this one straddling the horizon line, so that the top half of the shape is above the horizon line and the bottom half of the shape is below the horizon line. Immediately you'll see that there is only two conversion lines that are required, one to the top corner and one to the bottom corner. The vertical line will help to define the shape. We'll get the outline drawn in, and what you can notice immediately with this shape also is that you can't see either the top or the bottom of the shape. So you can see the side and you can see the front surface, but not the bottom and not the top. The other two shapes, you can see the underneath and you can see the top. Thank you for watching this tutorial.